If you want to start affiliate marketing and start making money online, but you don't know where to begin, in this video, I'm going to give you the exact steps to follow to become affiliate marketer. So when you are affiliate marketer, that means you are promoting someone else's product for a commission. That someone else usually is a company. So the first step is to join affiliate program of that company. And if you are asking where can you find affiliate programs or where can you find products to promote, so products are everywhere. So for example, if you go to any company's website, usually they have something called become an affiliate or start promoting our product. So let me give you an example. Let's go for example to Amazon. Here is amazon.com. So if you go to the bottom, you'll find something called become an affiliate. So click that one and follow the instruction and fill the form, and you'll become affiliate marketer. Then after that, if you are accepted that company, or another thing, I'll show you another thing. If you don't know where to promote, I have a blog post here where where I list a lot of affiliate programs you can join. Here you see affiliate programs. This is the program name and this is the category. You can even sort it by category, and this is the commission, how many % of commission they are offering, and this is the link. You can click and join that affiliate program. Again, it depends on your niche. If you are on health and fitness, that might be different. But here I have a lot of tons of affiliate programs you can join and promote their products. So affiliate programs are everywhere on the internet, and there is no shortage in that. Then after that, after you apply to become affiliate marketer, if you are accepted, and usually you'll become accepted in 99% of the time, they'll give you a link that's called your affiliate link. So that's the link that you have. You need to get people click on that link, because anybody who buys product through that link, you'll get a commission. The company knows this person or this buyer is coming because of your promotion, and they'll reward you by giving you commission. So that's called affiliate link, your affiliate link. So after that, what you need to do is promote. Just start promoting, and this is where a lot of people struggle. By the way, if you don't know how to do any of the steps I'm saying here, or the whole thing, see the first link in the description below. That is a free video that will help you a lot. So to promote products, it can take any form. Like, it depends on what you are comfortable with. Some people go with writing articles as a blog post. So every time you write an article about a product you are promoting, include your affiliate link, because people who are interested to buy that product or service, they'll click on that and buy the product, and the company knows that is coming from you. You can promote products through on YouTube or TikTok if you are good with videos, just like what I'm doing right now. I'm promoting something and I'm doing a video. So you do YouTube or TikTok video, or if you want, you can do it on Facebook and Facebook groups. Find people who are struggling with something or who are asking about products to help them with something, and you are promoting the product. Give them good answers, good value, and give them your affiliate links. Or you can do it on emails. You can do email marketing. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to write anything. You just need to write emails, of course. So if you notice, Amazon, Old Navy, and Michael Kors, all those companies, big companies, they are doing email marketing. But of course, to do email marketing, you need email subscribers, and to have that, you need a landing page. Landing page can be done fast and easy and free. If you want to know how to do that, see this video that I posted regarding landing pages, how to get it fast and free. And that's it. If you have any question, just put it in the comments below, and good luck.